Josh went and had some lunch, so he's good.
Good
So
job.
we'll have a baby sometime this afternoon.
Just might happen, yeah.
I think so.
Maybe.
It's inevitable.
Groundhog baby.
What do you got to say, Grandpa?
Well, I'm just tickled to death.
And you dressed up for the delivery.
Well, I went to work this morning.
You're the only one dressed up.
I didn't know. I got a call about the time I was leaving for work this morning.
Is that right? Well,
And it didn't
isn't.
sound imminent, so I just headed on in and worked a couple hours.
Okie dokie. What about you, Josh? You're off the week, aren't you?
Well, I guess so. Gotta be there, you know. It's a once in
Yeah.
a lifetime thing, so. Gotta be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I've got my McDonald's, so I'm full and happy. And
Don't
bring
you?
it on.
You're surrounded by such intelligent men.
Yes.
Look at
I'm so
you.
fortunate.
And you're feeling no pain, are you,
No.
darling?
Watch this.
Thank God.
Nothing.
No, usually I would kick him in the face. if
Oh,
he
you
did
can't
that.
even feel your feet?
I can't. I mean, I can feel like his hands on
Uh-huh.
my feet, but no
Oh.
feeling because my feet are so ticklish and I can't.
Oh, and I was holding on to him. I didn't know that, but you couldn't feel it, so that's good.
I can't feel them at all.
Oh, that's good. Oh, well, if you can't feel it in your feet, we know the important parts are anesthetized.
Yeah.
Yay.
It works.
Well, Carrie, Anna, here's your mommy right before you're going to pop out. This is your mother, Melissa Rosen,
Mommy
and
Daddy.
your daddy,
Mm-hmm.
Joshua Rosen.
Yep.
Aren't they cute?
Better behave.
Oh,
Be a good girl.
she's a good girl already. She came during the day, so we didn't have to get up in the middle of the night.
Yeah,
We
well,
love that.
we had to get up in the middle of the night.
Well, yeah.
So,
But
start
she'll
going.
be worth it. All right, why don't we have a little kiss to end this video, and we'll show it to Carrie. Oh, God love him.
I want to do
Thank
a long
you.
kiss in front of my dad.
What, honey?
I said I don't want to do a long kiss in front of my dad.
Wow. We're going to turn this off for now. We'll be back later.
Okay.
Mm.
Bye-bye.